welcome back to another video. Today we are not playing Roblox. I'm showing you how I edit my videos. I kind of failed the last one, so I don't really want to restart my whole editing process, so I'll just tell you what I did. So this is my intro right here, obviously. What's going on, guys? So what I did is that I went in this audio recording. Because if you go to my my media, if you look through the thing, look as I go through slowly, at the end there's like a black screen, but there's still music in that part. So what I did is I chopped that part off of the intro, and then I deattach the audio from that chopped part, and then I add it right below into this video, into my main part of the video. So then, the audio comes in, the music comes in while I'm talking. What's going on, guys? If you saw that. So then I added text right here in through this. I used which one? I used this text right here, and I dragged it right here, and then I clicked on this, and I can edit the thing right here. That is not my Instagram. By the way, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is the Flames Savage 1. And then I dragged this one right here, I think. And then I added this big text in. So I'm gonna change the font size down a little bit. Let's try 80. So that's pretty good. Then I can center it, of course. Then let's see how that looks through here. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing TikTok Tycoon, and we are creating our own TikTok company. So okay. So as you saw, I didn't have enough time to read the thing. So what I can do is I can click on it and I can drag this, make it longer. And we are creating our own TikTok company. So for these crates. Okay, obviously you can't see that well. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna change this all to black, maybe, and then see if that works. So I can just click on this right here. Then I have a little color wheel that opens up. So it's on white. I can just change the shade of it to black. And then we can test that out. Then I can close that. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing TikTok Tycoon, and we are creating our own TikTok company. So for these crates. Oh. Okay, so I'm just gonna increase that by 1 more second just so you can capture the full thing in. Just for people who are slow readers. No offense. So then what I did is there was parts where I was just gaining money, as you saw in the video. So what I did is I went to the part in the video there, and then I put my line right there. I click split clip, and then I went to the part where I finished collecting money. I was continuing the video. I went there, then I also clicked, and then I split clip, and then I had a clip in the middle in between the. So then I had 3 clips, and I deleted the middle one because that was the part where I was gaining money, and I don't want you guys to see that. Then I had 2 of those, so I had to do that 2 times. And then everything is just the same. So how I upload my intro and stuff, I went over here, and then I imported my outro, intro, and then the gameplay right here. So then, right now my video is 23 minutes long, so what I can do is I can scroll all the way to the end. Then here's my outro, of course. So what I did in the parts where I deleted the clips that I didn't want to see what I did is I went to transitions and I put like a dissolve transition in between, so then when you're watching it, it's like this. Okay, so next we gotta go for the second floor. Okay, we now have 45,000. Okay, so it's like that. You saw the little dissolve kind of thing. I used this transition right here. It's like this. So I just dragged it right in between the clips, and I did the same thing for the other one that I cropped out. It was somewhere in here. Okay, I can't find it. It's fine. So then I need to add one more transition here and one on the, or I'll show you after. So cross zoom, this is what I normally use. Pretty cool. Ripple, nah. Just page curl left. It's kind of cool. Doorway, but Moziak. Okay, I'm gonna do cross zoom, and then I'm gonna put it in between my intro and gameplay. And you see my little audio clip move, so I'm just gonna drag that back like that. So that now it's like this. What's going on, guys? Oh wait, actually, did you see that? It was like a weird delay. The transition gives a little gap. It's kind of weird, just listen to it. What's going on, guys? That was a little weird, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag this music. I'm gonna drag it if I can. And then I'm gonna line it up right by that. And not put it right there. I'm gonna put it right there, so now it comes out like this. What's going on, guys? Okay, actually, it's kind of messed up there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this right here. I'm gonna show you how I did the intro again, because it's messed up. So let me just delete this. We can leave the transition, my media. Here's my intro. So this is what I did. So I was like, okay, so it's going. So right where that is black, I paused it, and then oh, whoops, I messed it up. So what I did is I accidentally clicked here with my line, which moved the little playback thing. So you want to leave your playback thing on that, and then you want to right click, and then I split it. So now I have this little clip. What's going? So then I took this right here, then I deattached the audio, and then I got rid of this right here. Oh, whoops. Is there an undo button? I did not mean to do that. Is there an undo? Nope. Okay. Well, let me redo this again. Stuff like this happens editing. It's normal. So, wait for it. Stop right there. Put my little cursor on the line so I don't mess up the thing. Split clip. And then click on this. Deattach the audio. Drag this right underneath here. So that's the audio clip. And then I can delete this because there's no audio on that. Then I can drag that right there. And then, so now it's like this. What's going on, guys? Welcome. Okay, guys, this is actually kind of weird. It never happened to me like this before. I'm so sorry, but just to fix this, I guess I'll just add the black screen in. Normally it works for me. I have no idea why. Well, I hope you guys can try it at home. If you do, then make sure to tell me. So for between my gameplay and outro, I add the cross blur transition. So I just add that in. And then, since I'm not an advanced editor, that's all I do. So yeah. And if you're wondering why, like, in the beginning I said, or not the beginning, like mid-video, I was like, okay, I can't show you like this. It's because, or actually the beginning of the video, it's because my computer, like, just died in the middle of editing. My editing saved, but the recording didn't save, of the recording I'm doing right now. So I had to redo it, which is this one right here. And that's how I edit my videos, guys. Then after I'm done, I forgot something. What I do to make the sound louder is I go right here, click on this thing, then I increase the sound to 400%. Because you guys always say I don't talk loud enough, so I do that, so I don't have to talk louder. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Scared me, and it was louder, of course, as you saw. So that's how I do that. And then if I have to go over to my other clips, obviously, because they're all separate. Then I increase this to 400. Then I increase this to 400. Then so I'll see you guys next time. Bye. And then, just for the sake of it, I'm gonna make my outro louder, because the audio quality is kind of bad on that. And then my intro, it's pretty good. I just for fun, I want to see how loud it will be with 400. Yep, just as I expected. We're gonna set that back to normal. But that's what I do when I don't want to talk loud. Then after I'm done, I just go over here, click on File, and then I add a title. So this is TikTok Tycoon. If I do move my cursor like this, it goes through the whole video, which is weird. So tags, I just leave that and I add the tags in the editing process through YouTube, which I won't show. So format, I leave that. Resolution, leave it. Quality, high. Compress, faster. I just leave it like that. Then I click next. Then it opens up this where I can store all my stuff. So I click on movies right here. Then I go to YouTube videos and then save. Then this little circle here pops up and it's gonna export it to a file. Then after that, I just upload it to YouTube and I'm finished. And that's how I upload my videos to YouTube for you guys to watch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it'll help you to make your own YouTube videos if you do have a channel. And if you do have your own channel, comment down below and I will subscribe to you. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time for another Roblox gaming video. Bye.